Tonoy? Seryoso ka? Nga nagmuna sila ho?
Yan, sinagabot ka mo.
Magani.
Lagi ka mga panugid. To.
Kinanglan ko magpuli to. Kamu lang gani di.
So, good day everyone. I am Rodmar Eli Valenzuela Ador. I am a Bachelor of Science in Digital Media Interactive Arts student, fourth year college student at Central Philippine University. And I am the main actor of the film, Pagtililipon sa Mga Damgo, represented at the DAR Film Festival Awards. So, 1 month prior sa amon pag-shoot, the director and most of my close friends nga part sang film crew approached me early on nga nagsiling sila nga base ikaw ang amon kwaon as the main actor of our film. And sang time nga to medyo nervous ko kay base mag-short cam ko wala nga hindi ko makaya i-portray ang character nga gusto nila. But I prayed sa kay God nga gaan niya ko sang strength and wisdom kung paano ni i-portray ang amo ni nga classical leader sa amo ni nga organization. During the filming, it was not easy because there were times nga we would have to wait for the weather to be exactly we want it to be. Kay that time it was constantly raining and of course we would have to retake many times because kisaga ka itla aga hindi sangayon sa gusto sang director ang amon nga emotions. So that was the challenging part, to redo the scenes and to do it exactly how they want it to be portrayed. And sa akon nga part, ma'am, as a main actor, it was really i-pressure on my part ban kay I was the one to carry the flow of the story from one scene to another. So it was also from the help of our directors gid, and everyone during that time was a director. They were suggesting nga dapat tunugon ng boses, mas akid ka diri, dapat hinay lang diri. And that there was also a funny time nga nagsuggest sila makinaraya naman from Hiligaynon to Karaya. So it was an incredible experience man. As a main actor, it was such an honor nga maging main actor gid. And sa akon nga experience sa una, ma'am, I wasn't really good at acting. So I was not interested at acting at all. But it was always in the back of my mind kung anong feeling nga maging actors only sa isa ka movie or film man, or especially sa short film ni Subong. I was a filmmaker but not an actor. So the time nga sa regional level sa amon pag-represent sang film sa Pelikula Agrario 2025, I wasn't really expecting, honestly, didn't really expected nga ako gid ang maging best actor, since I know from many universities here, I did not expect nga ako gid, because I know there are many talented students from their universities. So it was really a surreal feeling and moment for me, and I almost broke down in tears because again, once in a while is langid ko or laka langid ko makabaton awards, like especially this kind of prestigious awards. So first and foremost, I would like to thank our Almighty God una. Thank you to our Almighty Father nga na hatagan ako sa opportunity through DAR. So thank you gid sa Department of Agrarian Reform, Western Visayas, and of course to Pelikula Agrario 2025 nga maka-experience ko sa Central Film Festival Awards nga na-held pa sa Novotel nga grabe ka prestigious man nga hotel sa Araneta City, Cubao, Quezon City. And sa support gid sang DAR throughout sa amon nga journey from Iloilo to Manila, sa ilang pag-atipan sa amon, pag-dinner man sa amon dito sa Manila after sang awards. It was really an amazing experience. Again, to my family sa ila nga support gid, sa kay nanay, sa kay tatay, sa ila undying unwavering support nga makita nila ako nga gasaka liwat sa stage, makabaton sang amon nga classic achievement. Kag sa college, to my college, the College of Computer Studies and Central Philippine University, to our university president, President Daguhoy, thank you so much sa inyong support sa paghatag niyo pagpalangga sa mga filmmaker students nga bisan sino nga maka-achieve gid sang dreams kung wala lang give up. Kag kung may ara gid based sa amon title man sa pagtililipon sa mga damgo, pagtililipon sa mga damgo, which means in English, gathering of dreams. Every dream, even small, is valuable. If gathered all together, we can achieve plenty of milestones and achievements. Gid.
Ini na ang pagsugod sang amon nga kauswagan. Tungod sa aton paghimakas, layo na ang aton na dangtan. Pero sa gihapon, padayon. Malayo.